Okay, so this is a standard recipe question, and the important thing to realise is that these ingredients are for 16 and we want to try and get 24. So I can't go straight from 16 to 24. Well, I can, but without using fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out how much I need for 8, and then I'm going to times that by 3 to get 24. Okay, so to find out how many 8, obviously we're going to divide them by 2, and then we're going to times them by 3. So for 8, okay, so half of 96, well half of 90 is 45, half of 6 is 3, so that's going to be 48. Half of 80 is 40, half of 48 is 24, and half of 2 is 1. And then what I can do is just add the 16 and the 8 together to get to 24, or I could times the 8 by 3. So the first one's 48, and I just want to times that by 3, or add the 96, you still get the same answer, it's 144. Then I want to times the next one by 3, or add it to the 80, which makes 120. If I draw it right. The next one I want to times that by 3, and that gives me 72. And the last one I want to times that by 3, which is 3. So it's 144, 120, 72, and 3. Okay, the next one says I've got only a kilogram of self-raising flour, but enough of the other ingredients. So first thing to realise is that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And we know for, 16, so for 16 we need 96 grams. So therefore for 160 we will need 960 grams, so just times them by 10. Okay, so we've got 40 grams left. Now the problem with this is we need probably to work out how much 1 is worth. So with the 96 making 16, I want to do how many 16s there are in 96. So first 96 divided by 16. So to make 1 I need 6 grams of self-raising flour for 1 biscuit. So how many 6s are left there? Well, there's 40 left, so 40 grams left. And so what I want to do is I want to do 40 divided by 6, which means, 6 times 6 is 36, so I can have another 6. So I can have this 160, and also I can have another 6. So that's 166. Now you could have done this with a calculator straight away by just doing 1,000 divided by 6. And when you do that on the calculator, 1,000 divided by 6 is 166.66, or 6 recurring I should say. Don't need that one. And that means we can get 166 biscuits and we'll have some left over. So the amount of biscuits we can make is 166. So you can do this with or without a calculator. First thing really is to work out how much 1 biscuit needs, how much flour 1 biscuit needs, which was 6 grams, which we worked out here. Then find out how many 6s there are in 1,000.